Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Draftkings. You guys can see that this stock has recovered. Market has gone up. We played the weekends on our last couple of videos in Draftkings, and you guys can see that, well, the market looked like it wants to trade stable right now. I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to show you all where I think the price in Draftkings is going to go next without being confused. So if you guys want to join me, join the team, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification because I'm going to keep it real. You guys don't want to miss out on where I think price is going to go. And not only that, you guys can join the community and actually try to learn this for yourself to see where you think price is going to go so that you can be in position and win in the market. So let me talk about the price action in Draftkings since my last video, which was on February the 20th. So let's zoom in. And I did a video right here around February the 20th, still playing the weekends into the market in Draftkings. Now you can see here on the 22nd, price only went down towards $17. We didn't see the market come all the way down here towards $15.50. Now we can't say that we didn't have opportunity to take some profitability because we have seen that, obviously, since we created this price prediction around the 18th, 19th of January. Price has gone down. But did you take the bag? Because this was the low. Right here, the low came in at $16.56. All right, so we were around $1 away from us hitting our ultimate TP price. But yet still, on the low that occurred on the 22nd of February, that's 25.25% right there. Now let's talk about this real quick. All right, let me get rid of that. Oh, let me take this back because if you're still into the play now, you'll be down on the last trade of yesterday around 6%. All right, that's not bad, especially if we're going to continue to expect the strength to occur into the market in Draftkings. First things first, we need to understand that the market in Draftkings has touched this support area twice. This is what many people like to term like a double bottom, meaning that the market has came and grabbed this price level twice. All right, so let's zoom in and try to get this correct to see where this market in Draftkings has touched twice. So this is support. We're going to hold this market in Draftkings as support. Now I really like that $16 price, but the market really liked $17.50 to $18 as support. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this up just a little bit. I kind of like this area better for us to see Draftkings hold support, because if this is the case, guess what? Yeah, this is the prime area to buy up this stock. Yeah, nobody's going to tell you that. They want you to come in and buy when the stock was around $46, $47, $60, right? They wanted you to buy when it's around $70. But as we see the volume increase in Draftkings, this tells us that the overall market, like there's some big pockets out here trying to buy up this stock, right? It required this stock losing 70-80% of its value before the overall market would change over and say that I'm not touching Draftkings, to the point to where it say I like the price now. Let me go ahead and buy up some of this stock. It is now attractive to the point to where we can actually make some money. This is what's going on. Now, we got that. We know where the buyers are at now, okay? This is where the buyers are at. So as we go throughout 2022, we need to make sure price in Draftkings stays above $18, give or take. Now, let's see how the market looks on a 3-day time frame then, because if this stock is still strong, guess what? We need to be positioned for this. We need to look for price to continue to go up. And I think you all can tell that this looks decent, right? It's a very wide spread. We saw the price close at the high of the bar. Now, let me give you the areas of concern, meaning this is where the sellers are at. This is where the sellers are going to come in and try to push down Draftkings price. First area right there. Okay. This is the second area right there. So we have $25 first. We also have $27.60. Yeah, these are where the sellers are at. They're ready to get off of their positions because they are losing, and they would just be happy just to break even. So this is where we would expect the price to try to dip, price to try to go down. Now, as we transition over to longer time frames and we see strength on the long term, guess what? We don't have to worry about this area down here like 25, because the expectation would be for the market to blow past 25 to go up here towards 27, right? This is why this area is going to be very important, because look at this. The answers are here. We just need to pay attention to the chart. It makes no sense for you to be paying attention to earning calls, for you all to be paying attention to fundamentals and technicals. The market is already trying to speak to us every day that it's open of what people think. Now, back here, July 9, 2020, the 5-day price bar there, and even here on this 5-day price bar, May the 19th, 2020, the market bounced as support. Then, well, now it's going to be acting as, restriction. Now you guys can see that the volume has increased in Draftkings. When volume increases, you need to pay attention, because it means that money is moving. It means that those in the know, those who have money ready to go out and spend, is now doing just that, especially when you see market value lose 67, 68% right now. So I think you guys get the gist. I think you guys see what my expectations is going to be in Draftkings, because I like it so far. Now understand, the market just doesn't shoot up like a rocket. Okay, it's going to take some volatility. Like, we're going to see the market do this, right? This is how the market works. It doesn't just shoot up. That cannot be your expectation when you're trying to expect price movement to go up, right? We cannot expect that. And one reason that I can tell you that is because look what happened yesterday. Markets still try to sell off. There's still sellers here. So this is not the opportunity just to be complacent and say, all right, we're just ready to let the price in Draftkings run. Expect the market to trade sideways. Expect the market to dip a little bit, all right? But in the end, especially on the 5-day, weekly time frame, I'm expecting the market in Draftkings to try to go up in price, right? And we're going to hold that, okay, until this market either breaks back down below $20.50. Okay, now let me hit this over. Okay, so we got $20.50. As long as the market holds this level, we're going to play the strength into the market. All right, so now I'm looking for the price to try to come like to $27.50. That's 17%. Upward movement in Draftkings. Now, as we do see the market approach this level, we have to pay attention again to see if the buyers are going to break outside of this 27.50, because if so, my next level is going to be up here towards 31. That's going to be the next level that the buyers are going to try to target in Draftkings. But this is it right now. All right, so I wanted to come in and give you all my newest updated price prediction, price target in the market in Draftkings. This is simple. This is easy. Don't let no one try to come in and make this complicated. If they spend more than a couple of minutes looking at a price chart, they don't understand what the market is trying to do. All you have to do is pay attention to price bars and volume to understand where the market is headed. I've been showing you all that since 2019 on this channel. Check it out. All right, let me know. Give me your price target, your price prediction for Draftkings. Where do you think the market's going to go as we go throughout the month of March? Hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.